The Kenyan SGR train is a modern and efficient mode of transportation that has transformed travel between Nairobi and Mombasa. The train covers a distance of 472 kilometers and takes approximately 4 to 6 hours to complete a journey. The passenger service is available in two ways, that is first class and second class. Alright, so let's enjoy our ride together to Mombasa. A very lovely morning from Nairobi, Kenya. So, hey, behind me is Vivian. Vivian, say hi. Yeah, so that is Vivian, guys. So, I'm ready for Mombasa. Oh my God, I can't wait to be in Mombasa. So, Abel is gonna be taking me to town. Will be. No, he hasn't yet called. So, this is Abe. Abe. Come and say hello to people. Where are we going exactly? Where did you say we are going exactly?
Central Railway Station.
Okay, we are
Central Railway Station.
Okay, then from there we shall connect to
Syokimau.
Okay, so guys, some names are hard to pronounce. Here is my bag already, guys. Ready to go. So yeah. I think. Hey, together to see what day. Now we'll do the whoa. This is our just arrived. Woo, Abe. Good thing is today is a Sunday. There's no too much traffic. Abe, do you think we shall get traffic on the road? No traffic. So yeah, guys, we have just arrived. We are now going in to get the receipt. Then shall be getting into the train. I can't wait. Yeah, this guy's security is in another level. Yeah, just like the same as they do at the airport. I really love the way how these guys are checking in. A chap is just very very fast. So we are getting into the ticket entrance. So in here there are two waiting places, one for first class and another one is for second class. It's my first time to be boarding a train, so I'm really so super excited, guys. It's been hectic. This is my first time and it looks really so beautiful. I can't wait to enter inside and experience that lovely, yeah. Honestly speaking, the government of Kenya has really done a great job. I never expected to see these terminals like this. It's like I am at the airport the way I see, you know. Wow. When it comes to security, this guy's security is lit. I love the way how they do. You are checked thoroughly, and they also do dog sniffing, same as the airport, which is really nice, you know. Wow. Hello. Yeah. Yeah.
The numbers above the door. So this is 6.
So you're also going to 9?
No, we don't have.
Okay. Hello. Okay. I love the way how smart these guys are. Hello. Hi. So this is it when they tell you a train. So it's like a plane, very beautiful. Hello, how are you? So here we are. Yeah, it's time for us to enter in and see what this train offers us. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I love the colors, blue and white. Wow, this is beautiful. My goodness, this train is so comfortable. Yeah, it's my first time that it's really comfortable, and I'm so happy that I have sat on the window, so we shall be able to see the lovely view of Mombasa on our way to Mombasa. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated as we leave. So a few minutes to the train to leave, but anyway, let me just show you from my window side the beautiful view. Yeah, so that is how beautiful it is. Guys, we're enjoying. I don't know at what time I will be reaching there to Mombasa. 8:30. So it will be dark. I don't know. It will be dark. Yeah. Anyway, if we find to film some little parts, yeah. Okay, guys, let's proceed with the journey. So this is first class, but I boarded second class, so you can choose what you want. And also in a train they have a restaurant, they also have toilets, so you can help yourself. So the train is really very, very comfortable. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, please do. Yeah, on our way we also managed to see some of the elephants. Yeah, I was really super excited to see them. I'm told we have something like an hour and a half, then we shall be in Mombasa. Yeah. So in Uganda we have a train, but the train that we have currently is just like a matatu. It does not even take a far distance, and surprisingly, I've never boarded a train. But it's not like this one. The journey was good. Honestly, it was good. I never expected. So guys, thank you so much for watching. It was lovely to come along with you in this journey. We have finally reached our destination, Mombasa. I can't wait to explore with you tomorrow to show you the other side of Mombasa that you have never seen. So stay tuned, subscribe, like the video. See you guys in our next upload. Bye.